Here's your latest wake-up weather. I'm meteorologist Kate Bilo. We're waking up to heavy rain on Friday, especially through the first half of the day. Then in the afternoon, a stray shower or thunderstorm continuing, 69 degrees. Our daytime high. Now Saturday, still mostly cloudy. A couple breaks of sunshine possible early, another round of showers in the afternoon. It's our Weather Watcher updates, and they're always sending in their photos and their observations. We just love our weather watchers here. 62 degrees as we check in with David Dutch. He is in Clementon, New Jersey. He's still got a little sunshine peeking out. The further east you go, the more you'll see. 63 degrees at Walter's home in Newark, Delaware. You can see he's got more clouds rolling in. He says a beautiful day, but the wind made it a little chilly. It did, and once the clouds rolled in, temperatures dropped. Got some beautiful photos, though, from our weather watchers. Lynn sent this one of the flowers. She says, my yard is in bloom. Look at that. Looks like some beautiful gardens at Lynn's home. Thank you for sharing that with us. Phil sent this one of the blue skies this morning before the clouds took over, and loved this one as well. This deer saying, hey, what are you looking at? Paparazzi through the branches. That guy's going to get a little wet tomorrow, as well as anyone that lives outside. And Wayne sending this one. Catching was great for the children. They were out on the pond today. Looks like a great day to do it. Tomorrow, not so much. Here's a look at what's really moisture-rich air from the Gulf of Mexico. That's lifting up the eastern seaboard. You can see some pockets of steady rain already over portions of Virginia. And this is really all lifting in overnight tonight. The clouds have increased in the Poconos. It's blustery, it's cool, temperatures only in the 50s there in Broadheadsville. And you can see timing-wise, tomorrow morning is the worst of it. That's when this big batch of rain, 6 a.m. pushing through Baltimore right up 95, and by 8 or 9 a.m. that's probably the heaviest rain for us here in Philadelphia. But this is going to last through at least the midday hours. Here's 10 a.m. still those heavy downpours. 1 p.m. we start to see some of the heaviest shift east. By 5 p.m., just some clouds and lingering showers and thunderstorms. So the heaviest downpours are in the morning, but we can't rule it out at any time. Then headed into the weekend, notice we're still under the circulation of this area of low pressure. So Saturday may start with a few breaks of sun through the clouds here in the morning, and then another chance for showers to proliferate in the afternoon. Here's 5 o'clock Saturday afternoon, and you can see scattered showers around there and possibly even lasting into Sunday morning. And you can see how cool that air is that comes in around the backside of the low with some snow showers through western Pennsylvania and western New York State on Sunday. So Sunday will be chilly if you're going to be outside. What to expect for your Friday? Rain, heaviest early, widespread inch, locally as much as 2. Again, morning to midday will be the heaviest. Then a thunderstorm is possible through the afternoon. Although it does look like if you have Friday plans out on the town in the evening, the weather will be a little bit better than it will be for the first half of the day. The weekend is cloudy and cool. Saturday could start with a few breaks of sun. Best chance for showers is in the afternoon and evening between about 3 and 6 p.m. Sunday could start with a shower, then some sun peeking through the clouds, but it's chilly. The high only 62 degrees. Coming up at 6, we'll take a closer look at the Broad Street Run forecast. Overnight rain arriving late. It is breezy at 53 degrees. For your Friday, we start the day with heavy rain, an afternoon thunderstorm possibly drying out a little bit late in the day. The high 69 degrees, and that's the warmest really of the entire 7-day forecast. Take a peek at it. Starting to lift in from the south and west. You can see right here this little batch just lingering through portions of northern Delaware, headed for the city of Philadelphia. This is light for now, but there's a lot more rain where that's coming from. Look at all this moisture being pulled in from the Gulf of Mexico. You can see the yellow and orange shading. That's an indication of where the heaviest rain is currently falling from portions of Kentucky down into Tennessee and into the Carolinas, and this all lifting up the eastern seaboard. The problem with this storm system, though, is that it's going to be a slow movement out of here. Even once the heavy rain ends tomorrow, we're still under the influence of this low, and we may even see some wraparound showers into the day on Saturday. So breaking down some rain chances after midnight tonight. That's when those rain showers will arrive in the city. For your Friday, periods of rain, heavy at times. Some thunder is possible as well. Doesn't look like severe weather, but we will see some rumbles of thunder with the rain. Saturday, showers hang around a little bit. Now, Saturday's not a total washout. That's the good news. The bad news is, especially in the afternoon and evening, you will be dodging raindrops and possibly even a few more thunderstorms. So let's time this out from start to finish. We'll take you through tonight to start things off, and you can see the heaviest of the rain lifts in here likely between 7 and 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So here's 9 a.m. Look how heavy this rain is coming down. We're talking downpours, and this is going to accumulate very quickly. We could pick up an inch of rain over the course of 3 or 4 hours, leading to ponding on the roadways for your morning commute. Heavy rain and a few rumbles of thunder likely through mid-morning, midday. This is 11 a.m., continues through the lunch hour. The good news is by 2-3 o'clock, we'll start to see the heaviest shift out of here and just some lingering showers through the afternoon and evening. There's a couple down the shore. If you are out and about for your Friday night, here's 8 p.m. Still a couple of showers, but it's much better on the back edge of the day. Your afternoon commute doesn't look too bad. Saturday morning may start with some sunshine, but then watch what happens again in the afternoon. Scattered showers. They're not as widespread, certainly not as heavy, but 5 p.m. we will be again dodging those raindrops. So how much rain are we talking? Right along the I-95 corridor, we're seeing over an inch of rain, 1.28 in Philadelphia, 1.83 inches in Trenton. This is one particular model, but you can see it's a widespread inch for most of the area. Then we fast forward into the weekend where things are going to get a little chilly. Let's talk about the Broad Street run on Sunday. A little cool out there. We'll see clouds in the morning, 51 degrees at the time.